We're now near the house that suffered from the Russian Federation aggression. As a result of the shelling, a rocket hit directly in the ceiling of this house. It was severely damaged. We ordered a design and project cost estimate documentation at the expense of the local budget. It was accomplished. A tender was held, and restoration work is now underway at the expense of the Fund for the Liquidation of the Consequences of Armed Aggression. The work includes the restoration of these ceilings, insulation, replacement of the heating system, and replacement of windows. We've selected houses for restoration. In general, we're currently repairing 3 houses in the city. The houses were chosen based on where the most residents live. Despite significant damage, many people lived here last winter and are living nowadays. That's why we're restoring it, and I hope they'll be satisfied. Yes, it's going to be for about 2 weeks. We are rebuilding, laying out the wall now. Then we'll cover it with a slab. This happened as a result of the Russian invasion. They got into this house. We're restoring it now. The balcony fell over. We restored it. There was welding work. We also carried out other works. Yesterday we poured concrete. Now we're laying bricks. Well, we had one. This side of the house was hit. The hit occurred during the shelling, and there's still a piece of metal there. The technical floor was slightly destroyed, and then the roof of the 6th floor was damaged. A cassette bomb exploded there. Windows were smashed. About 85% of the windows were smashed by the shockwave. The heating system was slightly damaged. Our people, during the occupation, about 20% of citizens lived there. Thanks to our residents who took care of the house, we had no looting cases. We didn't have anything like that in the house. This is thanks to our co-owners. There was a flood when the water system started working. They ran around, setting up ladders, climbed through the windows, turned off everything. And now our house is filling up. We have about 65% of residents living in the house now. The restoration work is carried out at the expense of the state. The city authorities are in charge. They're the customers of the work, not us.